Hey guys, welcome to another taste test video. So today for dinner I have meatballs and garlic bread. So let's have a bite. The meatballs are cooked perfectly. They're not overcooked or undercooked. Wow. Wow. Let's get a piece of the garlic bread. I like how the garlic bread is so cheesy, garlicky, and buttery. And that's what I like about garlic bread. Wow. I like garlic bread. And I like the crunch on it. Wow. Wow. Thank you guys for watching my taste test video. Please give it a comment, a like, and a subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.